Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, and today I am sharing with you a little bit of a haul of the things that I've purchased over this month. So basically there is home organisation, decor and cleaning products. So if you guys don't know, I've just recently started my own home organisation and cleaning sort of business, which is hard when you're in COVID, but yeah, I'm basically doing it one day a week and I'm still working my regular 8:30 till 5 job the other days, and then I'm doing YouTube on my every second weekend when my daughter's with her dad. So a bit of batch recording. I'm trying to get it all done, but anyway, so I thought I'd actually share some of the products that I've purchased for me to do some of the projects that I've got coming up in the future. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and of course if you do, I'd love you to stick around, subscribe and turn on the notification bells so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. I might start off with the most favourite place of everybody's who watches my channel, which is dun, 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 dun. Don't even have to say what it's called really, is it? It's Kmart, of course. So the first product I got was this quilt cover set, and it is white and subtle, and you can see like it has got a print on the back there. It's very subtle, and I do have like a similar one already on my bed, but it's from Adairs, obviously probably 4 times the price of this, but I did really need another quilt cover. So a little tip for you guys, if you are not going to be using the cover that's on this, and the same as like the cushion cover that I just got as well, that comes in a little baggie, and you're not going to be storing in that baggie, then cut a sample off and put it on a keychain. So I did share this tip ages ago. So these are my paint samples, but then I can add like fabric samples to this. So when I go shopping and I'm looking for, say, a new throw rug or like cushions or something like that for my bedroom, I've got my paint samples there and I've already got my bedding sample there, so I'm easily able to match it up. So that's just a little tip for you. That was the first thing I got from Kmart. I will show you guys what it looks like when it's on the bed. It just won't be in this video because I really don't have time, but you will see it in the future. The next product I got, which is a pretty boring product, for these stainless steel pegs. I can't tell you if they're great, I can't tell you if they rust, I can't tell you anything about them because I haven't actually used them. So from Big W, I got myself a cleaning caddy. So I have really struggled to find something that holds like my deep round, like my round cleaning bottles. Everything I seem to find will only hold like those long Ajax size cleaning bottles, which is really not my thing because I only use those big ones as I make my own like cleaning solutions. So this is what I've got. See how it's nice and deep. So I'll have a section, maybe one for certain kind of maybe bathroom cleaning cloths in here and then something in here, or maybe just microfiber and then the glass cleaning cloths and then my cleaners in there. I haven't sort of decided, or this could even be a good barrier to stop them from clinging against each other. This one here was really affordable. I'd like to say it was $7, but I can't remember. I will leave these products linked in the description box below for you anyway. This is the next product, and this is one of their drawers. So if you haven't watched my channel before, you're missing out. I love drawers. I am not a fan of using tubs to organize in when they're stacked on top of each other, because I personally find that I can get quite lazy, and if I've got like say 3 tubs on top of each other, I will often just chuck the thing on the top of the 3rd tub because I need to get to the one to the bottom, and I won't actually pull them apart to actually get to that item. So the reason why I love drawers is I can stack them and open the bottom one. I can open all of them and it is really easy for me to maintain. So I have this system in my daughter's room already and it works amazingly. So this is exactly the same one, except it is the 23 litre. And this one here I did get on sale for $17 because I had a sale going on at the time, but I do believe they're only $19. So tune in for the project that I'm going to be using this for, because I do have quite a few. That's a hint. Can you guess? You can leave a comment below if you like, if you want to guess. Don't know if I'll tell you, but You can have a guess. This one here is another Kmart product. I did forget to show you. It was on clearance, so I don't know if they'll still have it. They did have grey, still a lot of grey when I was left, but none of the pink. So I really liked this one. It is beautiful and soft and fluffy. So yeah, I'll leave this in the description box if they've got it. This is on clearance for like $19. Okay, so to match up with that, I found this pillowcase, and yes, it isn't being ironed. I've literally just pulled it out for you guys to see. So it is pretty much the same color, and then on the back here is like the slightly different. It's still the blush color, but it's like more of an ivory blush color on the back. So I can switch it from side to side depending on what look I'm after, and yeah, it almost identically matches with that throw. Okay, so the next product I got was this duck feather Euro. Now, if you guys know anything that feels like animal feathers, that gives you that same pillow top look, leave it in the comments below for me, because I want the pillow top look. I want the comfort of it molding more to my body, where the polyfill ones don't give me that. So that is why I bought it, but I would prefer something that's a bit less animal cruel. This one here was $14, and it was on sale at Spotlight at the time because I had a sale going on. So I was able to get that for my pillowcase. Now this is a game-changing product that I'm so excited about. And you will see me using it because I'm going to be doing a video which is a bathroom cleaning video, but it's all going to be about how to do it the most efficiently, most effectively, and what products and things that are going to help you maintain it to keep it looking clean all the time, and to cut out time, the cleaning time for you guys. So I know there's a few people at home at the moment, so this is a perfect thing for you guys to do while you are in lockdown and you're at home, to help you. So when you are back at work, you know, there's less things for you to have to worry about when you come back home. So this one is called the Enduro Shield Home. It is a grout and tile repellent. So basically what happens is when you're having a shower and all the water and soap scum goes onto your shower, it repels off and goes down. So this just stops the buildup of the soap scum in the shower, and like all the water marks in the shower as well. So this one here, it also apparently lasts for 3 years. So this is just such good bang for your buck. I can't remember how much I paid for it. I only bought it today, but I still can't remember. I've got a brain, my brain's like a sieve, I always say that. I've got mum brain still. But yeah, this is, I would like to say around the $60 mark. And they do also have other products in this range as well. So as I said, I will show you it all in action in that video. Okay, next up is this one here, which is from Adairs. This is just a coaster, and it's made from marble, and it's got two-toned on there. It's got the beautiful gold through it. Now, I just did buy a new coffee table, and I don't want it to get scratched or anything like that, and it is made from mirror, the top of it is. So I'm wanting something that, obviously, as I said, it won't scratch, but also that's going to protect from the heat as well. So if I have a really hot cup of tea, because I am like a green tea drinker, then, you know, it's not going to like break the glass or anything. So that's why I got that one. The next one is another cleaning product, which is the Grout Scrubbing Brush. And the reason why I love this is because it's got the swivel head. So I can get up really high and it's going to glide and work with me as I get up the wall. And this is the Oats brand, which I absolutely love. I have, as I said, I've just started this sort of cleaning business, and I've tried a few different brands, but even though this one is a dearer brand, it's definitely the better brand, especially in like your general house mops. I find that they're really good there too. And I also got this one here. This one was from the Cleaner's Room, and also that Grout Scrubbing Brush was as well. Some of these things you can't actually buy in the supermarket, like you've got to actually go to a proper cleaning shop. So yeah, this was from the Cleaner's Room as well. You can see it's also got the swivel head. It actually goes, it's like a 360 motion. It's pretty cool. And this is like a scourer, which is like Velcroed on, and it's quite a soft scourer. So it's going to be good on glass, on tiles, and I think it's going to be good for all your walls as well to do all your cleaning. So this is going to stop you from having to get up a ladder to get to the top of your walls, and it's just going to stop your back from aching as well from, you know, bending over so much. So I've really loved this product as well, and I'm sure I will get heaps of use out of it. So that is pretty much it for today, guys. I hope you all enjoyed today's video, and if you did, I would love you to stick around, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And of course, check me out on Instagram and Facebook as well. I do post some reels and things like that on Instagram for you guys to enjoy. So thank you all for watching, and I'll catch up with you next week with a new video. I'll see you then. Bye.